Snatch me from the darkness, snatch me from the darkness. Cause man, I was so heartless, man, I was so heartless. I thank you because you snatched my soul from the grave. You snatched me from the darkness, snatched me from the darkness. Cause man, I was so heartless, man, I was so heartless. I thank you because you snatched my soul from the grave. You snatched me from the darkness, snatched me from the darkness. Man, I was so heartless, man, I was so heartless. I thank you because you snatched my soul from the grave. And I not love you, I put no one above you. I can't wait for heaven, Jesus, I just want to hug you. I'm so grateful for the love and mercy that I receive from you. I shall run and not grow weary, and no, I'm not talking muscle. The dove came down from heaven, like this is my beloved son. Listen to the things he says, cause he is like no other one. Come home to your father, prodigal son. Yeah, run, run, run. It is liberty in which I stand, all because of what you've done. You're precious, I hope you know. I can see you through his eyes. We got no one from the flesh. I shouldn't see you for these lies. I believe you can run this race. No, I'm not talking exercise. You may not think the way you were made to, that's why he'll give you a new mind. Yeah, mind, alright. Devil prowls around like who's mine? Not this guy. I went underwater, I died. New life, too much religions. It's like who's right? Oh, that's right. Adonai. There's only one way, truth in life. I just hope you choose the path that's right. I am not going down to the doom. I am not going down to the gloom. I'ma just worship no matter my mood. As the presence of God starts to fill up my room, I'm gonna study with brothers on Zoom, and as I pursue him, I'm gonna get pruned. The Father's the one who wrote this tune, the same one that wants to heal all your wounds. He died on a Friday, rose up on a Sunday. The Holy One could never rot in the tomb. I'm wrapped in his arms, the devil disarmed. I look at him now like, what you gon' do? I tell these demons they must be removed. I let the Lord's Spirit keep my thoughts renewed. He formed me inside of my mother's womb. I was born, now I'm born again, now we commune, yeah. You snatched me from the darkness, snatched me from the darkness. Cause man, I was so heartless, man, I was so heartless. I thank you because you snatched my soul from the grave. You snatched me from the darkness, snatched me from the darkness. Cause man, I was so heartless, man, I was so heartless. I thank you because you snatched my soul from the grave. Snatch me from the darkness, snatch me from the darkness. Man, I was so heartless, man, I was so heartless. I thank you because you snatched my soul from the grave.
You snatched me from the grave, now I'm covered in grace. All my sins are erased, I wake up so amazed. Back then your boy was just crying a lot, every day stuck in the same old spot. But then you came and you changed my heart. Was caught in them chains and you broke the lock. Was caught in them ropes and you tore the knot. Confusion was in me, I sure was lost. But then my bro told me about the cross. You showed me yourself, now I know you're God. You don't just like me, I know that you love me. I'm no longer lonely because your arms warm me. You are the author who still writes my story. Your hand is on me, so I do not worry. Jesus, you're my everything. I say you're my everything. I'm the bride and you the groom. You gave me a wedding ring. There's nothing else words to say. I don't know what I could sing. Your love goes above the sky, surpassing what I could think. I don't know what I could say. Lord, you gave me all I need. My heart cries out every day, screaming that you're all I need.
You snatched me from the darkness, snatched me from the darkness. Cause man, I was so heartless, man, I was so heartless. I thank you because you snatched my soul from the grave. You snatched me from the darkness, snatched me from the darkness. Cause man, I was so heartless, man, I was so heartless. I thank you because you snatched my soul from the grave. Snatch me from the darkness, snatch me from the darkness. Man, I was so heartless, man, I was so heartless. I thank you because you snatched my soul from the grave.